Using the Ozempic pen is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure proper dosage and safety. So if you're looking for a visual guide, YouTube has numerous tutorials that can walk you through the process, providing clear step-by-step instructions. Before using the pen, you're going to make sure you read the instructions carefully and wash your hands thoroughly. Can't believe I have to say it. Remove the cap from the Ozempic pen and check the medication for any visible particles or discoloration. It should be clear and colorless. Attach a new needle to the pen and make sure it's secure. Next, you're going to need to prime the pen to ensure that the medication flows properly. So to do this, you're going to dial the pen to the appropriate dose and press the injection button until a drop of medication appears at the needle tip. This step helps to remove air bubbles and ensures that the pen is ready for use. Once the pen is primed, dial your prescribed dose and select the injection site, usually in the thigh or the abdomen, avoiding areas near the belly button. So gently pinch the skin, insert the needle at a 90-degree angle, and press the button to administer the dose. Hold the needle in place for a few seconds to ensure that the full dose is delivered. YouTube videos can help, especially offering visual demonstrations and tips on the Ozempic pen correctly. But these tips are helpful.